Talking about the treatment, surgical treatment options about hernia, as I said, hernia is a defect. So actually there is no medicine or tablet to cure a hernia. When a defect happens, it has to be repaired, and what is stuck in that defect, that has to be reduced inside the body and cured so that it does not come out again. Hernia is a very common problem, and a lot of people are repairing hernias. There are so many hernias surgical treatment available, and as someone has said that जितने सर्जन दुनिया में हैं उतने ही हर्निया की repairs हैं. So actually that is a fact. But again, another very senior surgeon has said that if you stop my surgery, don't give me any surgery, just give me one hernia, I will never forget to do surgery. So this is very important to understand that hernia surgery demands patience, demands skill. It is not that you just repair the hernia and that is the treatment is over. As a senior consultant surgeon, as a professor, I see people doing lots of hernias every day. But when I see patient coming to me with complicated hernias, with recurrent hernias, there was something lacking which happened in their previous surgeries. People are using different type of mesh, which is a common practice now, which definitely has improved the surgical outcome, but it is not the end. The surgical field is evolving and lot of advanced hernia repair is coming up. When I see female patient coming to me and they tell me that, sir, I have been operated 3 times and the surgeon has placed a mesh and it is happening again and again. I see a scarred abdomen, I see a D-shaped abdomen. So should we offer her the same repair again? Should we put another mesh? That is not the answer. And here the problem lies. Because these advanced hernia repairs, they require proper training and they require some patience. So we are providing services for these advanced hernia repair, and I call them as advanced abdominal wall reconstruction. So these patients cannot be offered again the same sort of repair. Hernia surgery, I am offering both sort of open surgery as well as laparoscopic surgery, which we are doing routinely. Laparoscopically, I am not only doing groin hernia surgery, which is almost everybody is doing, but I am also providing services for advanced laparoscopic hernia repairs in complicated recurrent hernias. So Alhamdulillah, so far we are getting very excellent results and to the patient satisfaction.